Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about retargeting. So retargeting is super important because as you've probably heard a million times, a lot of times people don't convert on the first touch, whether it's converting into an opt-in or converting into a purchase. A lot of times it just takes people seeing you often to, number one, trust you, and number two, see that you're a credible person. So we add a bunch of different retargeting aspects to different campaigns, and some of these will apply to what you're doing, some of them might not, but I just decided to put together all of my favorite ones that I like to use. So I'll show you guys those right now. And this isn't going to be the tech aspect of it. I'll show you exactly how to create the audiences for this in another video. So one of my favorite kinds of retargeting is different angle retargeting. So if someone hits the landing page but doesn't opt in, we can hit them with another angle that is different than the original ad. So for example, one angle could be want to learn how to run Facebook ads. And someone might click on that and then they don't end up converting. So we hit them with another angle, want to learn how to scale Facebook ads. So you see how the second angle is slightly different, but they're still about the same topic. So one of them might catch someone, and if it doesn't, you have the backup angle to try and get people to opt in and get them more interested. Then another topic would be talking about Facebook groups. So I have a client that has a course on growing Facebook groups, and one angle could be talking about how to increase engagement in your Facebook group. So a lot of people already have big groups, but they want to know how to increase the engagement. And then the second angle is want to learn how to grow and monetize a Facebook group. So some people might already have crazy engagement, but they don't know how to grow or monetize. So the second angle would appeal more to those kinds of people. So this is kind of a good way to just get people that might not have converted on the first try to try and get them interested using a different aspect, but you have the same product or the same offer on the back end. So for this kind of stuff, you'd want to target people that hit the landing page but didn't hit the thank you page. And I'll show you how to set that up in the tech walkthrough. So here's an example of different angle retargeting. So Sam Ovens does this really, really well. If you guys aren't familiar with him, he's a beast when it comes to selling his course. And I think he does $1 million a month now. So I was looking in my newsfeed and I just happened to find all of these different ads from him. They're all selling the same webinar, but look at the different angles he uses. So here, are you interested in making a 6-figure income working from home? So some people are going to get really turned on by that, like wanting to work from home. That might appeal to a lot of people. And then right here, completely different angle, how to retire your parents. So that might be more valuable to a different group of people. And then in this one, how can you get paid for what you already know how to do? And then here, are you a consultant, coach, or service provider struggling to get clients? So hitting on the pain points of struggling to get clients. So you see how these are all hitting on different benefits, different pain points, but they have the same offer in the back end. It's just you're using different words and different benefits and pains to appeal to different people. Another super important retargeting is abandoned cart retargeting. So if people hit the order form and they don't buy. So when people make it to your order form, you've already got like most of the job done, like they know who you are, they know about your product. They might just need a little bit more convincing to move further down your funnel and actually purchase. So with abandoned cart retargeting, I like using testimonial ads and any kind of social proof, or an inspirational video trying to get them to take action, or links to FAQs or more information about the course. So any kind of information that you can serve people with to kind of influence their decision, get them to learn more about the product, why it's for them, and why they should take action, and get them to believe in you more, would work great for this. So for the audience for this, you do people that hit the order form, and I didn't finish that sentence, excluding people that hit the order confirmation form. So here's an example of an abandoned cart I'm doing for one of my clients right now. So this is for people that have hit the order form, and this one's a testimonial video. So when someone hears someone else talking about how awesome you are, how awesome your product is, how awesome your course is, it's different than hearing it from you, So adding this kind of social proof really helps influence people's decisions. And then I also asked him to make a video kind of telling people why they should get off the fence for the program. So If you're someone that is running an online program, these kinds of ads usually work really well for retargeting and help get people off the fence. And then another one I really like to do is post opt-in retargeting. So after someone opts into your funnel, what kind of stuff can you do to make them like you more, to make them view you as an authority? So these ads, like, I don't normally have call to actions in these ads, but it's an ad that makes you seem more credible. It's an ad that adds value to people. So for instance, if you've been featured somewhere and it adds credibility, we can target people with that. Or if you have videos teaching people something without a call to action in it, you can target people with that. So that kind of stuff just builds your brand, it builds trust, and I think it's super valuable because we're trying to play the long game here and not just trying to get quick opt-ins and that kind of stuff. So doing stuff like this makes you seem like more of an authority. It makes people trust you, and it makes them want to follow you long term, and it keeps you top of mind for them. So for this, I like doing this to anyone that hit your funnel thank you page, so opted in. And here's one example of that. So one of my clients got featured in a Fast Company article. So whenever people opted in to his funnel, we retargeted them with that. So it just shows that he's credible in what he's talking about. So 12 Facebook groups to join before quitting your day job to work for yourself. And Fast Company is a pretty big name. So showing that just shows that he's credible and what he's teaching is credible as well. And then the last one is post-purchase retargeting. So after someone buys something, you don't have to only serve ads to people that aren't customers yet. You can serve ads to people that have bought something from you to get them to like you more or to even sell them more stuff. So for this audience, it's people that hit the order confirmation page, so they purchased something for you. And then I couldn't find screenshot examples of this, but here are a couple ideas. So if someone bought a course, you could do thanks for purchasing X course to get you set up, start a conversation with our course messenger bot, and it will walk you through all of the steps of getting started. And then for a purchase, maybe if someone purchases something off of your website, you can give them a different product to buy and a coupon code for that. So thanks for purchasing whatever product. Since you were interested in X, we thought you might be interested in X as well. And as a thank you for being a valued customer, we created a coupon code so you can get 15% off. So like I said, just because you got the sale once, the hardest cost is to acquire an initial customer. So once you have a customer, you want to treat them well and you want to see if they want to buy any of your other products, you know? So yeah, I like this ad a lot. I feel like a lot of people don't talk about that one, but it's definitely a great idea if you're selling physical or digital products in your advertising campaigns. So in the next video, I'll walk you through exactly how to create audiences with the right website traffic to get these ads to work.